Hi, I'm Chris Freeman, owner of Comfort Pros Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a local, family-owned company based right here in the greater Austin area, and we specialize in all things residential and light commercial heating and air conditioning. Whether your home needs a system replacement, your business needs a quick repair, or you just want honest advice, we're here to help. We're trained, certified, and committed to doing the job right the first time. We also offer our Pro Club membership, a low-cost annual maintenance plan that keeps your system running efficiently year-round and helps you avoid costly surprises. And because we believe comfort should be affordable and stress-free, we offer flexible financing options that fit your budget. At Comfort Pros, we treat our customers like neighbors, not numbers. You'll get clear communication, upfront pricing, and reliable service from people who actually care. For comfort and care, call Comfort Pros Heating and Air.